Bagang bam. This truck wey dey see here like this, him don fail brake. Just watch this video till the end make you see how him go scatter people motor. Thank God say nobody kpai, but he scatter people motor come tumble in the end. Na why anytime wey you dey for road, whether you dey drive or you dey cross road, you see any heavy duty vehicle or this big motor, na why you need to avoid them, because this truck dem, this kind of motor dem, and to fail brake na 5 and 6. Just watch this video to the end.
I cannot free you. Hi. What the f? What the f? Bossu. What the f? What the f? What the f? The f? What the f? Huh? What the f? What the f? What the f? What the f? Damn!